Looking for an RTC bus ticket online? Well, here's how to book an RSRTC bus ticket with redBus. Download and open the redBus app. Click the Enter Source tab and search and select your source city. Now click on Enter Destination and search and select your destination city. Select your date of travel. The app will display a list of bus operators who service that particular route. To select an RSRTC bus for your journey, click the Show Buses button to view every RSRTC bus that's available on this route. Select the bus of your choice from the range of options that are displayed. Learn more about the bus you're about to travel on by dragging the options given below towards the top of your screen. Information regarding the cancellation policies, boarding and dropping points, amenities available and more can be easily accessed here. Select your seat and then click Done. Select your boarding and your dropping points and then click Proceed. Enter your passenger and contact information and click Continue Booking. Verify your trip details, enter your offer code and select your mode of payment. Once your payment has been confirmed, you will receive your RSRTC bus ticket on your registered email ID and on the redBus app. So download the app now and book your RSRTC bus tickets today with redBus.